My name's Kevin Melvin. I'm here with Morningstar Farms. We're out of Greensburg, Kansas. Uh, the equipment that we have, we've got a B66 that's on wheels, and we're mainly grinding hay and some shelled corn. So our experience so far working with Rotochopper, first with the sales guys, they were very patient and willing to come out and do a demo, and so that was easy for us to get our mind around doing that. But since then, it's been much more of a partnership with the service guys and the sales guys doing a great job of following up and helping us get things fine-tuned. So we've really enjoyed bringing on Rotochopper as a partner. So as far as Rotochopper University, I'm glad that myself came and one of the operators. It's been nice now that we've ran our machine for a few months, that we have a few questions, or just we can find our way around the machine, but it's nice to come here and talk to the guys that have built them, engineered them, and can sort of help us get the production up a little bit and be a little more efficient as we go forward.